So here, when you have your collection, this is the outliner. So it's in here you can have the outliner, and it will show all the objects, all the camera, all the lamps, and also all the, in our case, all the collections that are available. And in our case, we have one main house, and we can see that this is, for instance, the vault. So this is a very classical normal object. I can go in edit mode and I can extrude and do things. This is a normal mesh. But then these ones are collections. So how do you make a collection? Let's take a cube and a second cube, maybe even a third cube. We have these three cubes. We take them, we select them together, and we can create a collection. So you go to add collection, and you can create a new collection, or you can move to a collection. And I tend to prefer to move to collection, and we can say new collection, and let's call this cubes. And now you can see that we have a new collection for cube with cubes. And once you have this collection, you have to imagine this like a group of smaller objects, and you can reuse it. So now, when you press Shift A or add object in the add mesh, instead of adding a mesh or a light or any text or anything, you can go down here to collection instance. And here you can see we have the different ones, but we also have cube. And if I add a cube, I will have now a collection that I can move. Right? And as we said, it is linked. So I can take this object and press Shift D and duplicate it. So now I have like two of these collections. And because they are linked, if now I take this cube and I make it smaller or bigger, you see it is all instanced and linked. So that's really the basic for the collections. And we go here, we just remove these ones for now, because I'm going back to the story, telling with the window. So if you go to my collection view, we can now disable this collection, and we have nothing in the scene, but we can see the one that is called window. And so that's basically, that's one of my window. Now if I take now if I sorry, my mouse is not responding. Now this is the window that you've seen in the house, and because it's in one collection, the collection is instanced here. If I take this window and I for instance, I make it round like this. I'm not doing round, but I'm just changing it to round. Then all the houses, I mean, all the windows will be round. So that's one way that you can also control and manage your different assets. Now I'm going to be a bit more, not creative, but just going to be a bit more crazy in the sense that I will show you the other part where we can create a neighborhood and then a town. So it's called nested collection. One collection inside another. So I will go